In our last two videos, we talked about how to open up a Trust Wallet account, and then we learned how to buy some BNB using our credit card. This is the final part of the series where we learn how to swap the BNB that we bought to BNB Smart Chain in order to use it in platforms like PancakeSwap. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Open your Trust Wallet app, select BNB. Here, click on More, and then go to Swap to a Smart Chain. Here, type in the amount of BNB you want to swap to BNB Smart Chain. Let's go with, let's say, 50%. And now click on Swap. Click on Send, and it's now processing. We now give it a few minutes. And if I go back and refresh my account, Smart Chain is gonna show up here. Now that you have BNB Smart Chain, you can use it in platforms such as PancakeSwap to go and buy meme coin and go to the moon. Oh, I'm kidding. Now, really quick, if we just met, my name is Mocha and I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not a financial advice. In this channel, we talk about different ways on how to make money online. So if you gain value and want to learn more about personal finances, then be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And with that, thank you so much guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.